460 base, 521 cubic inch big block Ford. Just got done running it. Everything run great. Script disc combination. Got the Edelbrock manifold, Edelbrock cylinder heads, quick fuel carburetor on top, MSD Pro Billet. Got your March serpentine belt set up. Made sure the alternator charges for you and everything. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the Canton rear sump oil pan. Take you in there and show you how to ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 563 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque looks like 582. Peaks horsepower 573. So we rated it 550. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. So get her off there, get in her crate, come your way. Have a great day.